Alpay say Obed TV. Ya sign SCM beam. Yade in Samono Eddie Bremo. Na and once I had breaking your mat down was Obed TV. General Coach a friend Ogum Ding Komo with Asante Kotoko media. Now maybe breaking it down 6 questions. I see a boom. Na boap Kotoko publicity no. No be a one taste asem no so tia no ate. Na when you gidie when ya mo ahokeka e wo Kotoko Bechem United because end this caneba. Kotoko match promo ni here pa. Ye boss our questions no so tell. Mun chechire mu no breaking it down quick in bare 2 minutes. 2, 3, 4 minutes. We are near the stories no. E ku hodi amamo. Sani ano pay mbe edu. Asante Kotoko. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Young course quick. First question. Once the Kotoko nations, Asante Kotoko team now go post match. Omen shares and trophy after the game. And no, a pennyfubi na etiete na so. Tinka behind the scenes, can some more power but for peace. Nse Monday Dr. Kwame Kasa ese me ntwi bibia munti yobia de bibia to ti sansensem no de see your dressing room we obo obi de otia obi de obi kan no am yemfa mba bonte enti ebisa coach about the draw match day 6 against Nations and the fact that my questions me no abom few minutes away from a victory about the saying no meant to me and yasa wino. And our coach Ogum say management of the game no ankoye. Say we did not manage the game well. Because in game management, you should look at keeping possession of the ball, dribbling your opponent to attract free kicks, forcing your opponent to concede corner kicks and throw-ins. That is how you manage a match. By playing the ball over the half of your opponent despite leading. And so yes, it's difficult for your opponent to possess the ball and build any attack against you. Any asema coach Ogum de tuja. Na ose a learning curve. And a Kotoko Kotoko team no go so esua nyoma mfama Intino, no chitum say Oma managing ye, but I learning care because in common possess a ball na no more chin, no more dead, no more pass you more around. Maybe announce our pass around there before no tower, Kebebo Kotoko. Until some that a year free kick or more half Nations for Mars where the penalty and bad. So it's a learning curve and moving forward, they'll maintain that intensity throughout the 90 minutes. And I'll say, in the game against Nations, now Kotoko are very resilient, but unfortunately, they needed results. Now, omope. And yes, Bisa coach said, "Well, second half, looks like you are playing much better in your second half." Then, I'm not sure. It is what we call the Kotoko spirit. The Kotoko spirit near Ukuma Pema Pembeba. It is a first half, no, Omejumania Demana. Second half, no, a painful frobeba about the sacra neomem, and that is the Kotoko spirit. And only a summer coach Ogum can the second half magic, no. Now I say, the Puma Pema, a Pembeba spirit, at your training grounds, to kind the spirit aspect, and kind the psychology and the technicalities behind Kotoko's awesome second half. Or say, at your training grounds, and they maintain intensity throughout the entire training. And to back Kotoko train, no maintain intensity, no, keep on a high. Send your moko park a swap, a man for brain, no more so dear, no, a feeling page up. Aggressive with training and committed with training. Send they can manifest that over the second half. Again, Onyan Drubere opening po because they are a process no more yet. Now, here back psychologically or something a self-belief. The first half nipon kuya or my speeches concerning self-belief. Mam rantie ni nya omumu jidie se referee nenche ball na yempon enti atiato kra na yetumi maso meye. And these are the words of Coach Ogum as to why he's getting the second half right and they are playing it very, very well in the second half. I say the Kuma spirit and no our boys the self-belief that is psychological or the time man energy. And lastly, training grounds or maintaining intensity, aggression, and commitment. And until now, mobile park so yes, now another question, Coach Ogum Hono, 9 points out of 18. Na ohun is saying na kwan ben so plan of person Kotoko wie the first round. Na no and Coach Ogum say ubia ni wa all Kotoko team no happy with the fact that Asante Kotoko won 9 points out of 18. Momo NJ, they are not happy at all because Ebanisa so much points no more fa and no matter fa they've missed half of the points. Na adia Obed media to Asante Kotoko chita for anim say a learning curve additional no mugusu a omusua na a rebuilding a process to Kotoko half of the points are a rebuilding process na adia ba ko a obia beja tum the technical team no management to be adi to me say the potential was Asante Kotoko players they are yet to unlock much of it na say the omu didi se mrante ni betimi aye no wo ntimi mbie pono no ma ni nyina mbie kakra bi na ene ne nam tokru mu eba nti o didi ma pase ye bewie first na Kotoko na first because ye bobo no konani ma na efa na mrante na ho keka na eba soro no mo potential na eba soro na de omu betimi aye na eba soro omu creativity level no be kosoro they would understand things much better. And it's learning curve. The omoto omochrom no mrante be tiase. Na ba ne sa na mrante na tiase yie dia. Na so mko gira go prama no so omodem no so be kosoro. Enti wasan hinte on the rebuilding process, trust the process and the learning curve. But also GDC be we first round na Asante Kotoko at the top. Coach Ogum nsem na me cheche mu. Dey chat what no about my stories no so. Coach, yebisa no say one Bechem United. Match no ohun ne sen. Na mamenka Bechem United de ne chitafo no nsem nyina mbom ebrenti. I say a match Kotoko beko all out game. I say is an approach. The approach for the game is all out game. Kotoko will be committed and they will make it simple and beautiful. I say everything that is simple is beautiful. And everything that is beautiful is simple. Tisa and Asante Kotoko Elko Park in the they will love to start well and score early because they will keep the ball. There will be creativity from the back, creativity in their build-up, and creativity in the middle. And finishing also improve. It's a creativity back on build-up, creativity back middle, normal finishing in tema. It means that they can now calm down and play their game. Because Ocean Tema and my upper form and my ultimate ball no send your person or bond. And some of person Kotoko ni bichim no ye nentem very simple and beautiful, very committed, very dedicated. It's an all-out game. Send your Kotoko Timinya go nintema. Afe no more ball na start ba na ankoto pressure at my team no. And no and someone Ogum the two ja. And no say chitafo ni de. On to me from accident the maye no a bro na adwene ne ntiase so much as Kotoko abu nyina chitafo ne ta na chi na odamasepa kwesi ada so no 3 PM momra na mometa Asante Kotoko team na chi sane ebeboa ama Kotoko match na obono against Bechem United nkunimdie beba na ama Kotoko timi afro akosoro na anigye ene chese osibo ababeto bodamasepa se bebi on be ko bia mu de o machi na mo kire mo do afei yenko